Hello, my name is Sahil Malik and welcome to this Microsoft Azure Developer course, Aligning Functional and Non-Functional Requirements. We're taking one area, one specific activity within the software development process, dealing with functional and non-functional requirements, and using these ideas to help design better applications. We will begin getting a clearer definition on these terms, functional and non-functional requirements, where they differ, where they overlap, to see what we should look for in any initial project specification. We will break apart larger business goals into achievable chunks of work and estimate the level of effort involved and revise any requirements that aren't written well. We will take ideas like reliability, scalability, and responsiveness into specific measurable targets that can be tested and verified. This course is part of the Microsoft Azure Developer series, so we'll talk about several ways to apply these ideas when creating cloud-based applications in Microsoft Azure. But this course is a little different from the typical Pluralsight Azure course. I won't be spending any time in Visual Studio or configuring a lot of resources in Azure because this is primarily a course about ideas and about concepts. So it's a bit more lecture style. You will find a lot of scenarios, analogies, and visuals. I've done my best to keep it as informal and conversational as possible, and I hope you enjoy the course.